Polar blue parrot cichlid fish fact. Parrot cichlids are a group of hybridized fish that have been selectively bred for their unique and vibrant colors. While parrot cichlids are not a naturally occurring species, they are popular among fish enthusiasts for their striking appearance. Here are some general facts about parrot cichlids. Appearance: parrot cichlids, including the polar blue variant, have a distinct and often rounded body shape. They can display a range of colors, including shades of blue, yellow, orange, and red. The polar blue variation typically exhibits a pale blue or silvery blue coloration. Hybrid origins: parrot cichlids are believed to be a hybrid of various Central American cichlid species, such as the Midas cichlid, Amphilophus citronellus, and the red devil cichlid, Amphilophus labiatus. These hybrids were created through selective breeding to achieve unique characteristics. Temperament: parrot cichlids are generally peaceful and have a mild temperament compared to other cichlid species. However, they can still exhibit territorial behaviors, especially during breeding or when establishing their territories within an aquarium. Size: parrot cichlids can grow to a significant size. On average, they reach lengths of 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, with some individuals potentially growing larger depending on their specific genetic makeup and environmental conditions. Tank requirements: parrot cichlids require a spacious aquarium with plenty of swimming space. Provide them with hiding spots such as caves, rocks, or driftwood. The water temperature should be maintained between 75 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, and the pH level should be around neutral, 6.5 to 7.5. Feeding: parrot cichlids are omnivorous and can be fed a varied diet. Offer them high-quality pellets or flakes specifically designed for cichlids, supplemented with occasional live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, or small crustaceans. It's important to note that parrot cichlids, including the polar blue variant, have been subject to debate and controversy due to their hybrid origins and potential health issues associated with their unique body structure. Additionally,